Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna explain what is investing. We're also gonna look at what are the different type of investing there is, and also for those who don't have any capital resources or fund, how can you actually invest even if you don't have any money? So investing is, in simple terms, is allocating any resource that you have. Usually we're talking about money, and reinvesting it for the purpose of generating a profit in the future. So let's illustrate. So you have two people. So person Adam get his paycheck and he go and spend it and buy a new car. Or you have Jake that he also get his paycheck at the end of the month. He takes some of the money and then he decides to invest in a local store. Now the reason why he invests in a local store because he's hoping that his investment will generate him some profit and revenue in the future. So this is in a very simple example explaining what is investing and obviously explaining what is spending. So let's illustrate. So you have two people. So person Adam get his paycheck and he go and spend it and buy a new car. Or you have Jake that he also get his paycheck at the end of the month. He takes some of the money and then he decides to invest in a local store. Now the reason why he invests in a local store because he's hoping that his investment will generate him some profit and revenue in the future. So this is in a very simple example explaining what is investing and obviously explaining what is. Look at the different type of investment. So let's look at the traditional investment, which is cash. We have also certificate of deposit. We have ETF, which stands for exchange traded fund. We have indices. We have stock. We have commodities. We have currency. There is plenty of variety in a traditional investment. You can actually potentially look at investing after you also analyze the risk and the reward. Let's look now at alternative investment. So alternative investment can be anything between cryptocurrency, the new DeFi, which is also related to cryptocurrency. We have also the hedge fund, private equity, real estate, collectible, art, and many. So this is just to summarize all the options you guys have in investing. So you have traditional investment, then you also have the alternative investment. So now for those who don't have any funds or any capital, I'm sure you ask yourself, well, all this doesn't apply to me because I don't have any money. How can I actually enter this market? Now, before there was all this alternative and traditional investment, there was actually one simple thing. It's you. Now, before there was all this traditional and alternative investment, there was you. You were the only person that were able to be a productive person, meaning by you going to work and getting a paycheck, and then with that money you can then decide either to spend or to save or to actually to invest. So even before you think about all these things is if you don't have enough capital, you can also look at trying to be more productive. By being more productive, you're able to increase your chances of generating a higher income. By generating higher income, you can then allocate some of this spare fund for the purpose of investing. Now this is one option. Now if let's say you're a very talented photographer or you have an amazing voice, right now everyone tells you have an amazing voice, you're very talented. So instead of you trying to invest in traditional or an alternative investment, you can look at investing in yourself. So if you have an amazing voice, you can look at maybe buying some equipment and maybe registering on different websites, and then basically by registering on some online gig economy website, you're able to showcase your skills and basically work from anywhere around the world and get paid for what you are known to do best. This is also a very simple way for you to actually invest in yourself, because if you're able to invest in yourself, eventually you might be able to get some money and be rewarded for your hard work. So this is just my my comments regarding what is investing. I'm going to be obviously going much more deeper in regarding the whole investment. So I'm going to be drilling down all the alternative investment and also all the traditional investment in the following weeks. So if you are interested to enter this market, I highly recommend to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any additional information. Thank you very much. Until next time.